Tide height calculations, practice problem 3. On 14 October, you'll be docking at Southern Branch, Elizabeth River, VA at the second high tide. This berth is located between this reference station that starts with 60 and this one that ends with 48. What time will you be docking? Okay, cool. So we're going to set it up the same way. We need the day. That's important. It's the 14th. Okay? And then conveniently right under it, second high tide on the 14th. So we're looking at second high. And they want to know what time will you be docking between these. So really, that's another way of saying, like, what time is the second high tide between these two stations? So again, we get station 60, station 48. 60 is up top here. See that? Ends with 60, and we're on the 14th, so we're on the top line, second high. So here's the first low, here's the first high. Second low, second high. It's got the height, but we need the time. 20:53. 20:53. Okay, and now we jump down to this bottom station, Money, VA, that ends with 48, and we want 14th second high. Right? Let's just check. Yeah. Good. 14 second high. Right? Low, high. Second low, second high. 21:02. 21:02. Okay. Now we have a difference between them. How many minutes between 20:53 and 21:02? Well, there's 7, 8, 9. Okay? There's 9 minutes different. And we need to right between these two. So we cut it in half. Divided by 2 equals what? It equals 4.5 minutes. I'm going to round that right up to 5 and use that. So if we take 20:53 plus 5 minutes, what is that? 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 20:58, and that should be our answer. And you see how it lies right between 20:58 is right between these two, which is where we're docking. So 20:58 is what I'm saying is our answer. Let's check 3. I see, okay, at 21:59, that's an hour off, isn't it? It looks close. Okay, that's not it. 20:53. 20:58, I see it as D. 3 is D. Three is in fact D. Okay, and now there's 2 of these for you to do on your own. If you get lost, come back to these. Just set them up the same way every time. You'll do well on this. And we'll see you on the next problem set.